MP Raja Sabha ka Jala Meghalaya Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi Ubadeiru State President Pynrem ka National People's Party NPP Meghalaya ulakanno bagadaw ka Pynrem ka NPP ha ka election MP Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary but Tura Parliamentary Constituency ka day namar ka Matyakran State Reservation Policy namar ka Jingwan Kershan ka BJP Habakan tho halor ka ka phang ka jingsharam ka party balabu jingkali da kilat pathai kubor ha ka arpau tare ujalli arja arpusa u Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi ulaong makadai ka dak basniu ya ka jalla lada ya ka election la job tang namar ka jingsha jing it bandawa pan kala ka bahat thungkam na ka banta ki jait benreu khasi jantia bat garo ha ka jalla Ulaang bahakari lom khasi jantia ka NPP ka yatingko bat ka VPP badhari lom garopat bat ka Congress badhari lom khasi jantia ki kwa ban pen kala kat ba kari lom garopat kim kwa bat ki syembo menteri rang ba ukonrat ki sama ukham pelet jingmot shari lom khasi jantia.
You see, politics, like what I said, always changes. Like number one, now we are, for the first time in the history, for the first time in the history of Meghalaya, that we have a chief minister who wins back to back, which means 5 years and then coming back 5 years. So it's quite natural. There are times in which you lose election. See, like Dr. Mukul, 8 years, then he lost election. That is part of politics. Okay. And at the same time, it depends on the situation that you're facing. Like, this time, this side, we are facing a wave. That side also we are facing a wave. So to me, my assessment is not that because BJP supported us. I don't believe that. Why I said that? Because in 2016, not only that BJP supported us, even Joel Aram, the present Tribal Affairs Minister today, he was campaigning with me. And CM won nearly by 2 lakhs, and he break the record in Kyrwoh Hills. And those WhatsApp are already read right from the time of PA Sangma. It came that priests are being beaten and all this. To me, I may be wrong. This I think is in both ways we lost because of the reservation policy. This side they want to review. They look at us as if we are anti. That side they don't want to review, and they look at the chief minister as who cater to the need of the caste hills. But I really appreciate my CM. There are times in politics, for the sake of the unity of the state, it's better that we lose election. But as a statesman, you have to decide what is right. At the height of that agitation, what the chief minister have to do? He have to convene a meeting, he have to agree to review. Because in his seeing that yes, this is the only way out. And I think it hit him that side and it hit us this side. So my point here is this. Well, if this election is won for clean politics, yes, it is good. I'm talking this side, I'm not talking that side. It is good. But if this hunger strike, if this election is won because of the hunger strike to review reservation policy, I'll tell you it is a bad sign. And don't worry at all. All of us will be reaping the harvest. And I think we'll be still living to see the harvest of this. So this is my observation. Clean politics, yes, I think it's high time that people should not take money in the election. It's very good. But if it's the other way around, it is a bad sign for the state. If it is for clean politics, it's a good sign. So those who are clean, let them win. Those who are unclean, let them lose. But if the other way around, that is the danger.
Do you see?
You've seen in papers, no? The reaction from both sides. That I don't know. Because you see, here's a VPP wave. There is a Congress wave. So if the waves collide, what happened, I don't know. To me, there are two approaches to this election, which, I was traveling here and there. I have heard of these two things. Yes, like what I said earlier, if it is clean politics, it's a good sign. Because this is one of the approach. Maybe people thought that, okay, we go for here's a party who's promising clean politics. But suppose if the majority of the people are going because of that hunger strike, because of the review of the reservation policy, that is a bad sign.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.